All right, so I'm out here in Gilbert, Arizona, the southeast valley of Metro Phoenix, and I'm actually going to showcase one of the newer new home communities. Now they've got three phases. The phase I'm in right now is Waterston North. They recently completed Waterston South. They're going to be doing Waterston Central. But right now we're going to focus on North. It's about 85% sold out. But I'm going to kind of take you around, kind of show you the neighborhood a little bit, talk a little bit about the amenities. I'm going to take you down to the south piece of it, or that phase of it, and kind of show you what it looks like all finished and completed. Drive you around in this particular community so you can kind of see some homes under construction. Then what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take you through one of the model homes. That way you can kind of get a feel for what they're building here. It's a beautiful community. They still have lots of new homes yet to build, so if you're looking for a new home community in this part of the valley, definitely something to consider. So with that being said, just kick back and relax, and we're going to get after it right now. Hey, if this is your first time to the channel and you want to know everything there is to know about living in a town like Gilbert, Arizona, then be sure and subscribe below, and don't forget to tap that bell for notification. That way you'll be the first to know about the current market here in Phoenix. Hey, my name is Rick Hancock, and the team and I, we get calls, text messages, and emails every single day from people just like you looking to move to a town like Gilbert or any other wonderful suburb in and around the Metro Phoenix area, and we absolutely love it. So whether you're looking to move in 9 days or 90 days, reach out to us. You can give us a call, you can shoot us a text, you can send us an email. All of our information is in the description below, and we'd be more than happy to help you make a smooth move to Phoenix. So as I mentioned, I'm here at the Waterston community on the north side. Check this out, I got my friends, I got an audience, so I have somebody to talk to. Hi guys, you want to say hi? Hope they don't come after me. Anyways, I'm actually out here at the community area here at in this development, and you can see we got a nice small little lake behind me. Over here we've got a pool area, and I'll show you some footage of that. We've got a nice playground over here for kids, which is great. Here's a basketball court. You got lots of green space all the way around this community, all throughout the development, and I'll take you around and kind of show you some more of it. But this is one of the nice features about this development, and they also have the same thing similar at the south side community of Waterston. But they've got a nice building in there where you can go in there and you can play cards. They've got all sorts of board games. They've got some ramadas that have barbecue areas, lots of great sidewalk areas where you can literally go in and walk around the development, which is really nice. But it's just a great place to come hang out if you want. You want to get out of your home and bring the kids down here, play in the grass area, take them over. Maybe they want to play on the playground. You want to come hang out at the pool area, you can do that as well. Or you can just come admire the little lake they've got right here. But anyways, this is one of the nice things about it. They do have an HOA in here. It's $163 a month. That covers all of these local amenities here, and of course it maintains all the grass areas. So it's all nice, lush and green throughout the year. But really nice entrance here. It is gated, by the way, so when you come in, you're going to come through a gated area, which is nice, gives you a lot of privacy. So what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to take you over and walk you through one of the models so you can kind of get a feel for it. And then, as I said, I'll drive you through the neighborhoods in this area here, kind of show you some of the homes under construction. I'll take you over to Waterston South, which is all completed. That way you can kind of get a feel for what the elevations look like on the outside, get a better feel for the community. And then we'll go ahead and wrap this up. So let's go do that next.
I'm on my way back, riding on a road of hardness. All I could do is done, far from the pain I had in me. So light and oh so free, caught in the center of a sadness. All my joy is gone, gone. Where is it meant for me to be?
Okay, so I'm here in front of one of the models, but what I wanted to point out first of all, what's nice about this location is we're right on the border of Gilbert and Chandler. And we're actually part of the Chandler Unified School District, which is one of the top school districts in the entire state. Very well respected, A-rated schools. As a matter of fact, the high school that feeds into this community, if you have high school kids, is Perry High School. It's one of the top rated high schools and great for athletics if your kids happen to participate in sports. And it's just literally right up the street. They've got some private schools around, they've got some charter schools, great public schools. You can't go wrong with the Chandler School District, and that's what's great about here. You live in Gilbert, but you get to tie into their school district. So this particular home I'm going to show you is 2,370 square feet. It is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath. And I chose that square footage because they have 2 product lines here. On the low side, they start just about 1,800 square feet and go up to almost 4,000 square feet on their larger models. So this kind of is a mid-level price. This home's going to be right around $550,000. And as far as upgrades, on average, people are spending about 20%. So you kind of have to factor that in, depending on how upscale you want to dress up the home that you're going to be living in. But that'll kind of give you an idea. So with that being said, let's go check it out. All right, so here we are. I'm going to go on in the front door. I'm going to flip this around and kind of talk to you as we go through this. I love doing this because if you've watched any of prior videos, you know I grew up in this business and I love the new home construction. I like to see the different floor plan designs. But as I mentioned, this house is just under 2,400 square feet. So before I go upstairs, let's just focus on the downstairs. Coming in, you do have a coat closet, which is I've always found that interesting in Arizona. Like we really need coats. But the nice thing about it is it's a good use of space underneath the stairs. So it's great for luggage or other knickknacks you want to store underneath there. But come in here, it's got a nice open floor plan, a nice family room, nice high ceilings, which is good. Starting to see that more and more in our designs with our homes, kind of getting away from a lot of the living room space. Of course, this house is a little on a smaller square footage, so you really don't have room for it, but even the larger homes are starting to do that. But nice kitchen with a nice big center island, which is nice. You can see a good sized table in there for eat-in kitchen. Got a microwave, oven combination, but a good center island, which is nice. You can put some bar stools around it, cast iron sink. So, you know, what's really key for a lot of the homes, and I've seen this in the past, is how well they're merchandised. You know, believe it or not, I've seen homes that are in lower price points, but they're so overly merchandised that a lot of people going through, potential homeowners, can't relate to how it's decorated, and it's overwhelming for them. So, you know, if you've got somebody who's really good involved in your design center, that can make a huge difference. Here's a little downstairs powder room, which is nice. Off the garage here is an open space. I guess they count this as probably well, it would be a den because it doesn't have a closet, but or a flex space, however you want to use it. In this builder, you can move things around quite a bit. We're seeing that more and more too. Is how people are have some flex designs within their floor plans. So you do have some options in that regard. I'm going to take you out and we'll kind of show you the backyard a little bit. If I can open it. Oh, there we go. All right, so it's got a basic little covered patio. Nothing too fancy, but in the wintertime this would be really nice. Could be a little warm in the summertime. Small little yard. You can see actually the home next door does have a pool. So they are pool-sized lots if you wanted to put a pool in the backyard. But this is tastefully done. Little seating area out here, which is nice. So that kind of takes care of the downstairs space. So there's really no bedrooms downstairs. You do have this den area. I guess if you needed a bedroom, you can make some provisions for that. But let me take you upstairs. You got the stairs right next to the door coming in. Oh gosh. We used to live in a two-story. You know, as you age, it kind of gets to you a little bit with those going up and down those stairs. But here's a nice little sitting area up at the top. They got it decorated here with a TV, almost kind of like a little mini game room, I guess, if you had kids. I'm gonna kind of come back here on this end and start with the secondary bedroom. So all your bedrooms are upstairs. Start here with the laundry room. Interesting enough, starting to see this more and more. I know when we were building many years ago, we started putting some of our laundries upstairs, and it does make a big difference. People weren't used to it because they're always used to the ground, down on the ground level, but you know, being that your bedrooms and most of your linens are upstairs, they started liking it more and more. Now it seems like more and more builders are doing it. But here's a nice little secondary bedroom. So they've really done a nice job with the lighting in here. Just your standard closet setup, which is nice. But just that little window on the side really brings in a lot of light, which is nice. Here's the upstairs bathroom. So you've got, you know, double sinks. Nice setup there, which is great. You got your embossed tub surround. That's all one piece that many of the builders use. You know, if it's not a tiled or stone bathroom, I'm sorry, tub surround. Here is another secondary bedroom. Oh, it's a little sports scene with their Arizona Diamondbacks, which is kind of nice. But what I like about what they've done here is they've gone to higher ceilings upstairs. They're 9-foot ceilings, which really gives you space. So what happens is when you have a space that isn't too large, but you give a higher ceiling, it gives you the illusion of a bigger area, which is nice. So that's a nice use of this space up here to make even though your bedroom size might not be that large, because you've gone to higher ceilings, it kind of gives you the volume, gives you the appearance that it's bigger than it is, which is nice. So they've done a nice job of these. I think they're well merchandised. I think they're relatable, which is nice. Like I said, I've seen some houses that are completely over the top, which is really interesting. Now we walk in here. Here's the primary bedroom. So obviously it's a much larger space. Nice big window out the back. There again, they have these little windows up in the corners. Those are fixed windows, so you can bring in more light, or you can cover them up. And then back in here, in the master shower area right here. There again, they have double sinks, which is nice. A little toilet space right here. Oh, there again, they put a window in there as well. They also put a window up above the shower, which is nice. So it's just, you know, a lot of our homes, we like to bring in a lot of the natural sunlight because, you know, with over I think it's close to 330 days of sunshine here in the Phoenix area and Arizona in general, we like to bring our light in. But good sized closet in here. So you got plenty of room. Got some place for some shelves. Well, that's it for this home. This kind of gives you an idea on just kind of a mid-level price point out here in this particular, with this builder in this community. So I'm going to go ahead and finish it up now. All right, so I hope you like that model that I just showed you. Kind of gives you a sneak peek on what the homes look like inside, how well they're decorated, kind of the flow of the floor plan. Like I said, this was a mid-level square footage, about just under 2,400 square feet. Like I said, they range in size from 1,800 on the low side all the way up to nearly 4,000 square feet, single level and 2 stories. So you got a wide range of homes, different price points, so whatever fits your budget, just let us know that and we can definitely help you. So, hey, if you found the video helpful, please go ahead and give us a big like. It helps us grow our channel. And as always, thanks so much for watching. Be sure and subscribe to the channel and tap the bell for notification. That way you'll stay current on our latest market, because we got videos coming out every week and would love to share them with you. So with that being said, thanks again, and we hope to show you around town one day. Bye now.
Home, home.